I love this job, Ekse. Where's your hard hat, bruh? Hey, you're almost fighting to heaven. You know, I'm not a person for physical work. You know what? If I do this, I don't think the customer will pay. What kind, Gazi? I told y'all I'm moving, bruh. Moving up in life. You can see her. I got a new posy. How's this thing here? But let me show you my coffee machine firstly. Check this thing out. I never saw anything like this in my life. I bought it on the internet. I just said, give me this thing. This thing got a pressure meter, filter size, grind amount, power. Lord. Normally I just press like 3 buttons on a coffee machine. This thing got everything. It says it's called like the razor. Oh no, this is something else. What is that? That's not it. And over here, I think you put the beans. You can check some beans over there. And here your coffee comes out. So this is my new place. I told you I'm moving up in life. I'm not buying a GTR Ekse. I said, no, never mind. Let me just get a new house, whatever. But I'm also a big liar too. Today, I'm actually working for a company called Dees Aluminium. And I'm installing a window, a brand new window in this apartment. It's my apartment, don't worry. It's mine. For today, it's mine. Right, so first of all, I need to find out what we're doing because I have no idea. So this is Chris from Dees Aluminium. So tell us, what are we changing over here?
Okay, we're removing this entire window, complete with the wooden frame and the burglar guards.
Right.
Obviously, we're going to do it neatly without damaging the customer's property, like those walls and so on. We'll be using a grinder, like power tools, so don't cut off your hair or anything.
Wait. You're giving me the grinder to use?
Yeah.
Hey, let's say, man. I said, let me change the screw or something. Just want to give me a grinder. Okay. This is the dangerous one.
We'll remove the complete wood, and then all our windows are custom made to fit in the exact place. So we'll fit the window in, mount into the walls, and then we'll plaster.
Okay, question now. The window we're putting, I have no idea what it looks like. Is it that silver one that we normally get in the apartments?
It's actually powder coated white, but the customer wanted a specific pattern. So we actually manufactured to their specification.
Custom windows. But how's this kitchen? We'll come back to this now, right? Look at this beautiful kitchen. Look at this white cupboards. This is the one you see in the TikTok videos, you know what I mean? I have never seen a 5-plate stove in my life. I'm from the streets, guys. You need to understand this here, right? So I'm guessing you cook your biryani in the middle one. Damn, this oven is tops. This is a really cool feature to have. This chart over here that gives you all the volumes and the weights and everything. So first you're removing the alarm. This thing is off. I'm not gonna get shocked, no? Hey, brah.
Yeah, it's off.
You sent me to the grave early.
No, not that one, the bottom one.
This is a star screwdriver. Oh, buying in a flat. Oh, right, okay.
Office.
Cool. You don't have electric screwdrivers, Ekse. Make me do a hard graph here, brah. Right, I'm feeling at my first mission. Yeah, I can't take out a screw. I found the screw, but I can't take it out. I need to call in reinforcements, guys. So basically what happened was, the screw here is stuck inside there. Obviously very good at this job, but you can't do everything, you know what I mean? So we need to call in a professional expert, yeah? Gazi, take over. You take out the screw here, you will win absolutely nothing, brah. Oh, you move it to the side. Hey, you see, by now, if I was doing this alone, right, with my posy or something, I would have given up and I would have left it for another 1 year until someone asked me to take it out again, you know what I mean? But this O is operating. So you're gonna keep this thing connected and put it back here with the new window. Ah, shot. You know, I'm not a person for physical work. Hey, this is why you just so press it a little bit. I almost drilled a hole in this thing, Ekse. Oh, okay. When we did handwork in school, they never teach us all this. I look like I'm doing some dodgy things there. There we go. Now we need to cut this wooden thing out. Does it smell like a cookie on the outside fire, boss? I want to know why your cut, like only there. Okay, are you answering my question? Go for it. So easy it came out. Everything stuck. Ekse, who was using this glove? Huh?
No.
Hey, where's your hard hat, bruh? Hey, you're almost fighting to heaven. See the nails there? All we had to do was clear this nonsense out, and then the window fitted perfectly. Now it was left for me to just put 1-2 heel-tees in like a G. Watch this, I'll do this with my eyes closed. I'm lying. One shot. You know, every old got his own style when it comes to the cement on this thing over here. Some of they play with the cement. You know what I mean? They eat it in angles and do all the funny things. I always wondered about that. Why they always do that? Show us your style, guys. Show us your style. You can see. You look like he's baking a cake, but he's about to chow the dough before he bakes it. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh, I would have dropped that cement if I ate it like that. So, you say, I told you I'm gonna drop the cement. Ekse, how you do it like that?
No, don't take it so much.
Huh?
Take it there then.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
And then which way? This way, that way?
This way.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh, I told you I dropped it. Okay, this is the hardest part of it. See what I did. Show them what I did. See what I did. And go up and see how smooth this was. How in the world, Ekse? No, round two. I gotta done this thing, Ekse. Line, and then. Ekse, you know what? If I do this, I don't think the customer will pay. This is an actual skill, bro. See how you filled it. This is why you can't do things like this on yourself, and this is why you need to hire people like Dees Aluminium. Hey, the next window was much bigger, Ekse. Like this. Yeah. I say fat all my strength, and I pull out this burger guard like a G. Oh, there we go. I can do this, Ekse. In some countries, they have a house where you can just buy in, and you take a baseball bat or crowbar or whatever, and you break everything. That's literally what these are doing. Give me that hammer. You see I have to take the hammer from this one. You know how smart things like this, yeah? But no. What am I doing now?
Yeah, this now.
Not here.
Yeah.
What am I trying? Am I trying to knock this thing out?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Like that?
Yeah, it's good.
This is the most exciting thing ever, boss.
Right.
I must make one more time.
No, it's out.
One more time, Ekse. Be careful, Gazi. Just watch me, bro. I'm too smart, Ekse. I love this job, Ekse. I don't know what I'm doing here. Come. This man was hitting it so hard. I felt like I had no strength. But anyway, this is how we do at Dees Aluminium. They took out everything and we were ready to install the window. Meanwhile, I was busy acting like a girl, taking selfies in the bathroom. While this was cutting, I said, let me go and check on the other window. You did all the smoothness over here, and you didn't even smoothen it yet. With that contraption there. Look at this window. This is a brand new window. It's customized and fitted so it fits perfectly, brah. Look at that. Now all was left for me was to hit 1-2 heel and the window was done. Alright members, I hope you enjoyed this video, yeah? And if you're looking for aluminium doors, windows, carports, and a whole bunch of other stuff which you'll see now in my video, make sure you contact Dees Aluminium. They're from Durban based, but they're operating all over. Joburg as well?
Yes.
Joburg as well. Now, on to my next challenge. I'm going to graph on a ship. So if you know anyone that's on a ship that can allow me to come there and graph, let me know. I got my gloves and everything, you know what I mean? You know the story, my name is OG2Scoops. You better like, subscribe, share, comment, and tell me what you think about this video. And tell me if you got any other contacts for anything else. I want to go and graph, and I want to show you what it's like to graph.